I'm going to make pumpkin puree. I already warmed up the oven for 200 degrees. And we're going to put the pumpkin here. We can use this after for soup or for pumpkin scones. We don't need to add anything. We only baking it for 35 to 40 minutes. So this is now our roasted pumpkin. We're going to put in the food processor. To make the pumpkin puree that I'm going to use to my baking of pumpkin scones. And maybe the rest I'm going to make flan. You can also put in the freezer if you don't need it at the moment. You don't need to buy any more your puree. You just can make it yourself. No need to add anything. No need to add salt or seasoning or what. It's just plain pumpkin. So this is now our pumpkin puree. Very fresh. And this is also organic. Coming from my garden. So I can make my pumpkin scones later. So thanks for watching.